Dovetails made easy. The Grizzly 16.5-inch Extreme Series Dovetail Machine makes producing strong and attractive half-blind dovetail joints fast and easy. This machine comes equipped with a dual pneumatic clamping system for quickly securing and unloading workpieces, as well as material stops for quick workpiece positioning. These make it a breeze to insert pre-cut boards, clamp them down, and start cutting. The G0611X gives you the unique ability to cut 2 joints at one time and, if prepared properly, can produce a 4-sided drawer with beautiful dovetails in under 2 minutes. The cutter carriage is spring-loaded for easy and smooth cutting, and the spindle heads are micro-adjustable, giving you complete control over your dovetail fit. This machine also includes a 4-sided template for cutting 1-inch, 1.5-inch, 2-inch, and 2.5-inch dovetails. You can adjust your dovetail height from 3/16 to 3/4 inch, as well as your thickness from 13/32 to 2 3/8 of an inch. Powering it all is a dependable single horsepower 110 or 220 volt, single phase, 10 amp or 5 amp motor that can output spindle speeds of 18,500 RPM. A precision milled cast iron table frame, cast aluminum carriage, steel stand, and hardened and ground chrome steel slideways assure you of the long-lasting dependability you've come to expect from Grizzly. Ease, efficiency, and quality is what the Grizzly Extreme Series Dovetail Machine is all about. All for a price that the competition just can't cut. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.